From ancient civilizations to prehistoric wonders, our world holds countless secrets beneath its surface. In this extraordinary journey, we'll explore 17 of the most shocking discoveries ever made during excavation work. When an excavator's blade pierced through solid rock in various locations around the globe, no one expected the incredible findings that would emerge. From living dinosaur eggs with intact DNA to an ancient computer core that challenges our understanding of human history. These groundbreaking discoveries have forever changed our perception of the past. Prepare to witness some of the most remarkable unearthed treasures that continue to baffle scientists and historians alike. 17. The living dinosaur eggs. In a remote quarry in China's Guangdong province, what started as a routine excavation turned into one of paleontology's most groundbreaking discoveries. Workers were breaking through a seemingly ordinary limestone formation when their excavator struck something unusual, a cluster of perfectly preserved dinosaur eggs. But these weren't just any fossilized eggs. Preliminary tests revealed something extraordinary. Some of the eggs contained embryonic material with intact DNA sequences. The discovery sent shockwaves through the scientific community as it provided unprecedented insights into dinosaur genetics and embryonic development. The eggs, dating back approximately 70 million years, belonged to a previously unknown species of oviraptor. Most remarkably, researchers found that several embryos showed signs of advanced development, with fully formed skeletal structures and even traces of protofeathers. The preservation quality was so exceptional that scientists could analyze the egg's internal environment, revealing that these dinosaurs had sophisticated temperature regulation mechanisms similar to contemporary birds. Further examination uncovered a complete nest structure, suggesting complex parental care behaviors previously unknown in dinosaurs. The site also contained fossilized plant material and other organic matter that provided crucial information about the prehistoric environment in which these creatures lived. Advanced imaging techniques revealed blood vessel patterns within the embryonic remains, offering new insights into dinosaur circulatory systems. This extraordinary find has revolutionized our understanding of dinosaur reproduction and evolution, suggesting that modern birds' developmental patterns have deeper prehistoric roots than previously thought. The discovery has led to groundbreaking research in paleogenetics and forced scientists to reconsider their theories about dinosaur parenting behaviors and metabolic processes. 16. The underground city of gold. Deep beneath Turkey's Cappadocia region, construction workers accidentally broke through into what would become one of archaeology's most spectacular finds. While excavating for a new shopping complex, their machinery revealed a vast underground network of tunnels, eventually leading to an entire ancient city. But what made this discovery truly extraordinary was the abundance of gold artifacts and architectural elements found within. The city, dating back to the 8th century BCE, featured intricate golden decorations embedded in its walls, ceremonial chambers filled with perfectly preserved golden artifacts, and an elaborate water system with gold-plated fixtures. Initial estimates suggest the total amount of gold discovered exceeds 2,000 kilograms, making it one of the largest ancient gold hoards ever found. The city's advanced engineering and architectural features indicate a highly sophisticated civilization that had mastered complex underground construction techniques. Most intriguing were the hieroglyphic inscriptions describing a forgotten kingdom that ruled the region, challenging current historical narratives about ancient Anatolia. The discovery included workshops with ancient metallurgy tools, suggesting advanced gold-working techniques unknown to modern scholarship. Archaeologists also found evidence of sophisticated urban planning, including ventilation systems and flood control mechanisms. The site contained ceremonial chambers with astronomical alignments, indicating the civilization possessed advanced knowledge of celestial movements. This remarkable find has profound implications for our understanding of ancient metallurgy, trade routes, and economic systems, forcing historians to reconsider the complexity of ancient civilizations. 15. The Crystal Cave of Giants. When miners in Mexico's Chihuahua state blasted through a seemingly ordinary cave wall, they stumbled upon a scene that defied imagination. The cave they uncovered contained the largest natural crystals ever discovered, massive selenite beams reaching lengths of up to 39 feet and weighing 55 tons. The cave, now known as the Cave of Crystals, was formed over 500,000 years ago under unique geological conditions. The massive crystals grew in mineral-rich water heated by magma chambers below. What made this discovery even more remarkable was the presence of ancient microbial life trapped within the crystals. These microorganisms, dormant for tens of thousands of years, could be revived under laboratory conditions, providing unprecedented insights into extreme life forms and their survival mechanisms. Scientists discovered that these microbes possessed unique biological adaptations that allowed them to thrive in the cave's harsh environment, where temperatures reached 136 degrees Fahrenheit with 90 to 100% humidity. Further studies revealed that the crystals contained time capsules of ancient atmospheric conditions, preserved in microscopic air bubbles. The cave's complex mineralogy suggested previously unknown geological processes that could help explain crystal formation on other planets. Researchers also found it offering a rare opportunity to study geological processes in real time. This extraordinary discovery has significant implications for the search for extraterrestrial life, suggesting that life could exist in seemingly inhospitable environments on other planets. 14. The Terracotta Warrior's Secret Chamber. During routine maintenance work near Xi'an, China, construction workers made an astounding discovery that added a new chapter to the famous Terracotta Army saga. Their equipment revealed a previously unknown chamber containing something unprecedented, a group of terracotta warriors unlike any others previously found. These figures, instead of depicting soldiers, appeared to be musicians and dancers, complete with remarkably detailed instruments and elaborate costumes. The chamber also contained acoustic architecture that suggested it was designed as an ancient performance space. The most significant finding was a complex mechanical device resembling an ancient musical instrument, possibly the world's earliest known automated musical machine. The chamber's walls were covered with intricate musical notations and diagrams explaining various performance techniques. Archaeological analysis revealed that the chamber was part of a larger complex dedicated to the arts and entertainment of the afterlife, challenging previous assumptions about the purpose of the Terracotta Army. Advanced imaging techniques revealed traces of original pigments, allowing researchers to reconstruct the vibrant colors these figures once displayed. The discovery included detailed documentation of ancient Chinese musical theory and performance practices previously unknown to scholars. Most intriguingly, the chamber contained evidence of sophisticated acoustic engineering principles that still function perfectly today. The preservation of fabric patterns and facial expressions on the figures was unprecedented, providing new insights into ancient Chinese fashion and artistic conventions. 13. The Lost Library Scrolls. During the expansion of Cairo's metro system, workers encountered what appeared to be an ordinary wall. However, when the wall crumbled, it revealed a hidden chamber containing thousands of ancient scrolls and manuscripts, perfectly preserved in sealed ceramic containers. This accidental discovery proved to be one of the most significant literary finds of the century. The collection included previously unknown works by classical authors, lost scientific treatises, and detailed historical accounts of ancient civilizations. Most remarkably, among the manuscripts were several texts describing advanced mathematical concepts that weren't discovered until the Renaissance period. The collection also included detailed astronomical observations and calculations that showed ancient Egyptian scholars had a far more sophisticated understanding of celestial mechanics than previously believed. Carbon dating and textual analysis revealed that the library was deliberately hidden during the 4th century CE, possibly to protect it from destruction during periods of political upheaval. The scrolls contained information about advanced medical procedures, including surgical techniques that were not officially documented until centuries later. Several manuscripts detailed lost architectural and engineering principles that could have modern applications. The discovery included encrypted texts that, when decoded, revealed complex philosophical treatises challenging our understanding of ancient thought. This remarkable find has forced historians to reconsider the extent of ancient scientific knowledge and the transfer of information between classical civilizations. 12. The Mechanical Marvel. In an abandoned mine shaft in Greece, archaeologists found something that challenged our understanding of ancient technology. A sophisticated mechanical device dating back to the 2nd century BCE. The mechanism, composed of intricately designed bronze gears and wheels, appeared to be an advanced calculating machine capable of predicting astronomical events and tracking multiple calendar systems simultaneously. What made this discovery particularly remarkable was the presence of instruction manuals etched onto bronze plates, providing detailed information about the device's construction and operation. The level of mathematical and engineering sophistication demonstrated by this mechanism suggests that ancient Greek technology was far more advanced than previously thought. Analysis revealed that the device could perform complex calculations with an accuracy that wouldn't be matched until the 18th century. The discovery included evidence of mass production techniques, suggesting that similar devices might have been relatively common in the ancient world. Researchers found tool marks indicating the use of advanced manufacturing processes previously thought impossible for that era. The device contained miniature components requiring microscopic precision, challenging our understanding of ancient metallurgy and toolmaking. Most intriguingly, the mechanism showed signs of incorporating astronomical knowledge that wasn't officially discovered until the modern era. This remarkable find has revolutionized our understanding of ancient technological capabilities and knowledge transfer between civilizations. 11. The frozen time capsule. During mining operations in Siberia's permafrost region, workers uncovered something extraordinary, a perfectly preserved ancient settlement that had been flash-frozen thousands of years ago. The site contained intact buildings, tools, clothing, and even preserved food stocks, providing an unprecedented glimpse into prehistoric daily life. Most remarkably, the freezing process had preserved organic materials so well that scientists could extract and analyze ancient DNA, proteins, and even stomach contents from the settlement's inhabitants. The discovery included the oldest known examples of woven textiles, showing sophisticated weaving techniques that weren't thought to exist at that time. The site also contained evidence of advanced food preservation methods and early domestication of plants and animals. Climate analysis of the preserved materials provided valuable data about ancient weather patterns and sudden climate changes. The most significant finding was a collection of detailed maps carved onto mammoth tusks, showing extensive trade routes across ancient Siberia. The preservation was so complete that researchers could study ancient bacteria and viruses in suspended animation, offering unprecedented insights into the evolution of microorganisms. The site contained evidence of sophisticated architectural techniques for dealing with extreme cold, including early forms of insulation and heating systems. This extraordinary discovery has revolutionized our understanding of prehistoric human adaptation and technological development. 10. The Crystal Skull Network. In a limestone quarry in Central America, workers discovered a chamber containing something unprecedented, a network of crystal skulls connected by thin quartz threads. Unlike previously discovered crystal skulls, these were arranged in a precise geometric pattern that appeared to have astronomical significance. What made this discovery particularly intriguing was the presence of unusual electromagnetic properties in the crystal formation. Scientific measurements revealed that the skull network generated subtle but measurable electromagnetic fields that varied with celestial events. Advanced analysis showed that the crystals contained microscopic structures that couldn't have been created with known ancient tools, raising questions about their origin and purpose. The discovery included detailed inscriptions describing the skull's purpose in astronomical observations and possibly long-distance communication. The arrangement of the skulls corresponded to specific star constellations, suggesting advanced astronomical knowledge. Researchers found that the quartz threads connecting the skulls exhibited unusual quantum entanglement properties, defying current understanding of crystal formation. The chamber's walls contained mathematical formulas relating to electromagnetic wave propagation, concepts not officially discovered until the 19th century. Most remarkably, the skull network appeared to respond to specific frequencies of sound and light in ways that suggested intentional design. This extraordinary find has challenged conventional theories about ancient technological capabilities. 9. The living metal. During deep mining operations in South Africa, workers encountered a peculiar metallic substance that exhibited properties defying conventional physics. The material, found in a sealed chamber 3 kilometers underground, appeared to respond to electrical currents in ways that suggested some form of molecular memory. Initial analysis revealed that the substance contained previously unknown elemental combinations and demonstrated self-organizing properties at the atomic level. The most remarkable aspect was its apparent ability to form complex structures when exposed to specific electromagnetic frequencies. Scientists discovered that the material could be programmed to change its physical properties, suggesting applications in advanced computing and materials science. The chamber where it was found contained evidence of ancient mining activities, raising questions about whether this substance had been discovered and utilized by previous civilizations. Further studies revealed that the material exhibited quantum coherence at room temperature, a property previously thought impossible. The substance showed signs of responding to human bioelectric fields in ways that suggested possible technological applications. Most intriguingly, the material appeared to have a crystalline structure that could store and process information similar to modern computer memory. This extraordinary discovery has led to new theories about the formation of complex materials in deep geological conditions and their potential applications. 8. The timekeeping stones. Construction workers in Ireland uncovered a series of intricately carved stones that proved to be part of an ancient astronomical calendar of unprecedented accuracy. The stone arrangement, when studied in detail, revealed precise mathematical relationships corresponding to various celestial cycles, including some that weren't officially discovered until the modern era. The most remarkable aspect was the presence of markings that accurately predicted solar and lunar eclipses thousands of years in advance. The stones contained encoded information about planetary movements that matched current astronomical calculations with surprising precision. Analysis revealed that the ancient astronomers who created this system had sophisticated knowledge of celestial mechanics, including concepts like orbital precession. The discovery included mathematical notations suggesting knowledge of advanced geometric principles thousands of years before their official discovery. The stone arrangement incorporated acoustic properties that appeared to amplify certain frequencies during specific astronomical events. Researchers found evidence that the site was designed to track complex astronomical cycles spanning thousands of years with remarkable accuracy. The stones contained information about celestial events that modern astronomy has only recently confirmed. Most intriguingly, the mathematical principles encoded in the stones suggested knowledge of concepts related to modern physics and cosmology. This extraordinary find has transformed our understanding of ancient astronomical knowledge and mathematical capabilities. 7. The musical cave. During tunnel excavation in southern France, workers broke through into a cave system that displayed unique acoustic properties. Further investigation revealed that the cave's natural formations had been deliberately modified to create specific sound effects. The cave contained stalactites and stalagmites that had been carved to produce specific musical notes when struck. What made this discovery particularly significant was the presence of ancient musical notations carved into the cave walls, describing complex compositions designed to utilize the cave's acoustic properties. Analysis showed that the cave's architecture created sophisticated harmonic effects that couldn't be replicated with modern technology. The discovery included evidence of ancient sound healing practices and the use of specific frequencies for ceremonial purposes. Most remarkably, researchers found that certain combinations of notes played in the cave created unique standing wave patterns that affected human brain wave patterns. The cave contained chambers designed to amplify specific frequencies while cancelling others, suggesting advanced understanding of acoustic principles. Scientists discovered that the cave's acoustic properties changed with seasonal variations, suggesting it was designed as a sophisticated calendar system. The site included evidence of ritualistic use of sound for altered states of consciousness, supported by ancient artwork depicting sound-induced visions. This extraordinary find has revolutionized our understanding of ancient acoustic knowledge and its applications. 6. The DNA library. While excavating for a new building foundation in Greece, workers discovered a series of sealed clay vessels containing preserved organic materials. When analyzed, these materials were found to contain a vast collection of ancient plant and animal specimens, systematically preserved with sophisticated techniques that allowed for DNA extraction. The collection included samples from numerous extinct species, including some previously unknown to science. What made this discovery extraordinary was the presence of detailed documentation describing each specimen's properties and uses, including medicinal applications that are now being validated by modern research. The preservation methods used were so effective that scientists could sequence complete genomes from many samples. The discovery has provided invaluable insights into ancient biodiversity and evolution. The vessels contained evidence of deliberate genetic selection and early breeding programs, suggesting sophisticated understanding of heredity. Researchers found documentation of extinct medicinal plants with compounds that show promise for modern medical applications. The collection included detailed records of climate changes and their effects on various species over centuries. Most remarkably, the preservation techniques used showed evidence of understanding principles of molecular biology not officially discovered until the 20th century. This extraordinary find has revolutionized our understanding of ancient scientific knowledge and biological preservation techniques. 5. The Star Map Cavern. Mining operations in Australia revealed a vast underground chamber whose walls were covered with luminescent paintings depicting detailed star maps. What made this discovery remarkable was that these maps showed stellar configurations dating back over 40,000 years, including accurate representations of stars that are only visible with modern telescopes. The paintings contained information about celestial events that have been verified by modern astronomical calculations. Most intriguingly, some of the depicted star systems contain recently discovered exoplanets, raising questions about how this information was obtained. The cavern's artwork included sophisticated mathematical symbols suggesting advanced astronomical calculations. Analysis of the pigments used revealed they were specifically chosen for their luminescent properties, creating a dynamic star map that changed appearance under different lighting conditions. The cave contained evidence of ancient astronomical observation techniques, including precisely aligned viewing ports and mathematical markers. Researchers discovered that the paintings incorporated three-dimensional elements that accurately represented spatial relationships between celestial bodies. The site included detailed records of astronomical cycles spanning thousands of years, suggesting long-term scientific observation. Most remarkably, some of the depicted stellar phenomena weren't confirmed by modern astronomy until recent decades. This extraordinary discovery has forced scientists to reconsider the astronomical knowledge of ancient cultures and their observational capabilities. 4. The memory crystals. During deep excavation work in Brazil, miners discovered a deposit of unusual quartz crystals that exhibited unique properties when exposed to light. Further investigation revealed that these crystals contained microscopic structures capable of storing and retrieving information in ways similar to modern digital storage devices. What made this discovery particularly remarkable was that the crystals appeared to have been deliberately programmed with information, including complex geometric patterns and mathematical sequences. Scientific analysis revealed that the crystals could store and process information using principles similar to quantum computing. The site contained evidence suggesting that ancient civilizations had discovered and utilized these properties for data storage. Most significantly, some crystals contained retrievable information about advanced scientific concepts, including principles of quantum mechanics that weren't officially discovered until the 20th century. Researchers found that the crystals could interact with each other in ways suggesting quantum entanglement properties. The storage capacity of these crystals far exceeded current technological capabilities, raising questions about their origin and purpose. The site included evidence of sophisticated techniques for programming and reading the stored information. Most intriguingly, the crystals showed signs of being part of a larger information network spanning multiple ancient sites. This extraordinary discovery has challenged our understanding of ancient data storage capabilities and quantum information processing. 3. The Healing Chamber. Construction workers in Egypt uncovered a previously unknown chamber beneath an ancient temple containing an elaborate system of mirrors, crystals, and acoustic devices arranged in precise geometric patterns. Scientific analysis revealed that this arrangement created specific electromagnetic and acoustic fields with measurable effects on biological systems. The chamber's design incorporated advanced principles of sacred geometry and harmonics that produced demonstrable healing effects. Most remarkably, the site contained detailed instructions for using various combinations of light, sound, and electromagnetic fields for treating specific ailments. Ancient texts found at the site described sophisticated understanding of human anatomy and energy systems that align with modern biophysics discoveries. The discovery included evidence of advanced knowledge about the therapeutic properties of different frequencies and their interactions with human physiology. Researchers found that the chamber could generate coherent energy fields similar to those used in modern biomedical devices. The site contained documentation of successful treatments for various conditions, including detailed case studies and methodologies. Most intriguingly, the chamber's design incorporated principles of quantum healing that are only now being explored by modern science. This extraordinary find has led to new research into the therapeutic applications of combined electromagnetic and acoustic fields, challenging our understanding of ancient medical knowledge. 2. The Living Library. During excavation for a new highway in Peru, workers discovered a vast underground complex containing what appeared to be a biological archive, a sophisticated system for preserving living organisms in suspended animation. The facility contained thousands of sealed chambers with precisely controlled environmental conditions, each preserving different species of plants and microorganisms. What made this discovery extraordinary was that many of the preserved specimens belonged to species thought to be extinct or previously unknown to science. The preservation technology used demonstrated principles of cellular stasis that modern science is only beginning to understand. Scientists discovered evidence of sophisticated knowledge about cellular preservation, including techniques still unknown to modern science. The facility contained advanced environmental control systems that maintained perfect preservation conditions for millennia. Most intriguingly, some preserved specimens showed signs of deliberate genetic modification, suggesting advanced biological engineering capabilities. This extraordinary discovery has revolutionized our understanding of ancient preservation techniques and biological knowledge. 1. The ancient computer core. In the deepest section of a remote mine in South America, workers uncovered something that defied conventional historical narratives. A sophisticated device composed of unknown metallic alloys and crystal matrices, arranged in patterns suggesting computational capabilities far beyond known ancient technologies. Initial analysis indicated that the device operated on principles similar to quantum computing, using crystalline structures to process and store information. The most remarkable aspect was its apparent ability to interface with human consciousness through yet unknown mechanisms. Scientific studies revealed that the device contained vast amounts of encoded information, including advanced mathematical concepts and scientific principles that match current theoretical physics. The discovery site contained evidence suggesting that this technology was part of a larger network of similar devices spread across the ancient world. Advanced scanning techniques revealed microscopic circuitry within the crystal matrices that showed signs of deliberate engineering. Researchers found that the device responded to specific electromagnetic frequencies in ways suggesting artificial intelligence capabilities. Most intriguingly, the computer core demonstrated the ability to generate holographic projections containing complex scientific and mathematical information. The site included documentation describing the device's purpose as an interactive educational tool for advanced sciences. This extraordinary discovery has challenged every conventional understanding of ancient technological capabilities and has led to new theories about the development of human civilization.